We do not want more of Biden's mandates attached to keeping Biden's money.
According to the Financial Times, 97% of the inhabitants of Kerr County have no home insurance against flash floods. 97%. And this is a part of a wider trend that is happening in the United States because of climate change. I'm speaking about the tornado-prone coast of Florida. I'm speaking about certain parts of California that are prone to wildfires. Private insurers are exiting the market because it's not profitable. And why should you care? Think of the ramifications. A home that is not insured loses value, can't be given a mortgage, it can't be rented out, and people are trapped there. If you have a mortgage, you need to continue paying the mortgage, but you're paying against the value of a home that you can't redeem. We live in an economy in which the thing that we have that is the most valuable is usually the roof on top of our heads. And if you can't insure it, you also run the risk of not being able to restore it if something happens. And the type of catastrophes that we saw in Kerr County are going to happen often in more unexpected places in the country. And you may say, Elio, you're exaggerating, because in the areas in which private insurance backs off, federal insurance steps in. There's the National Flood Insurance Program that insures homes and areas of the country in which private companies have stepped back from. But that process is administered by FEMA, and FEMA is under attack and being dissolved by the Trump administration in accordance to the larger plan of Project 2025. There will be less people to be able to administer it, and there will be less direct funding to be able to fund it. And that takes me back to Kerr County, specifically to those people speaking about how opposed they were to receiving any funds from the Biden administration. Those people, like the people who wrote Project 2025, were being utterly genuine. Their arrogance, their unerring belief that the actions that they're taking at this moment are going to have a positive effect in the long term for the country is not preparing them to deal with something that is prone to happen more and more as climate change gets more severe. And I think that that's the thing that scares me the most for my friends in the United States, more than the authoritarianism, because I think that people are organizing to resist. It's the inability that they are going to have to react to things that are out of their control, that are out of their belief systems. That's going to get a ton of people killed.